Hello, my friend. Do you ever wonder how can you create good intros and outros for your videos on YouTube or any other video channel that you use? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the best video creation websites that I've found. And I have hundreds and hundreds of YouTube videos out there. And I'm going to give you some of the secrets and some of the tips, not only for yourself, but a way you can generate some extra cash flow as well. So stay tuned. Hello, my friend. My name is PEtrovick, and for the past 20 years, I've been teaching, coaching, and training people how to generate more leads, make more sales, and recruit more reps. My preferred way of doing all of that is online. And one of the things that is an absolute gold mine is video. Now, we certainly can do video screen captures like I'm doing right now, or I can talk to you, but it's how you introduce, the types of transitions that you use, and then the outros that you use that give that little extra sizzle to make your videos professional. So I'm going to show you some websites and some tools that I've used that might help you in your business. And if you're a brand new visitor here on this channel, if you haven't subscribed, please do that. I produce videos every day that help you build your business. Sometimes that's lead generation, sales, and recruiting strategies, tactics, language, leadership development, inspirational books, all of the above. I absolutely love this profession. It gave me my life back. I've been in it for 20 plus years too. So let's jump in and let's look at some of the websites that you can use starting today to create intros and outros. All right. All right, so let's look at the first website, and I've used this one, gosh, probably 10 years ago. It's been around for a long, long time. It's called FlickPress, flickpress.com, and they give you the ability to create some short little video clips, and they make them available for you for a day to download. And if you want just regular HD, it's free. If you want, if you want standard definition, it's free. If you want HD, I think there's a little bit of a charge for it. And all the pricing on all of these sites typically is at the top here. So you can see the different prices. This one is super, super affordable. But I created a little video a little while ago, and I just kind of want to show it to you and give you an idea on what it looks like. So you see, you can edit the text, you can upload some images, and this one is a total of 12 seconds long. So what you can do is you can add any text you want, you can add any images, placing an order, in this case this is free, just allows you to process it. And they have all kinds of templates here, and gosh, I wish I could show you all of them, but it's just too much. And it tells you here whether it's free or paid. I've used this one before. This is kind of cool with the little text in the rolling ball. Little domino effect there with your image. So again, one of the big things with all of these is you just have to figure out how it ties into your brand and what you're about. That kind of makes sense. Here's another one. It's called Spark, which is an Adobe product, and I'm sure you're familiar with Adobe PDFs and Adobe Photoshop. And they've got great little templates here. So I created this one a little while ago, and the text in the messaging is not great. I just did it for an example, but it was super simple to do it. So I'll just go ahead and play it. Very professional photos, images, music, really, really great stuff. I really like this one. It's very, very classy and very super simple to use. And that's Spark. So spark.adobe.com. You can check that one out. This next one is Biteable. Very similar to Spark. A little bit more pricey, I think, in terms of the cost of it. But the animations that they have here, and you can use this one, I think, for free, but it's got their watermarks on it, like right here, which I'm not crazy about, but hey, for free, it's okay. So let me go ahead and play this one for you. I love that dog. Great music too. Uploaded my image, added all the text. Again, they've got a bunch of different templates here that you can use. The one that I actually have been using the longest, and I'd say the one that I love, is called Videos. And it has just a ton of intros, outros, transitions. They create holiday little video clips here that you can customize, which is kind of cool. And they're all categorized. They've got live action ones if you want to do this. Using this system and platform, I actually was able to do a barter deal with my swimming pool company. And what I was able to do is do a bunch of geo-targeting. Let me see if I can do this. This video here. Uploaded the company's logo to it, add their text on it, and basically did over $6,000 worth of bartering by using a lot of the videos that I found in here with intros, outros, created a YouTube channel for them, and just really crushed it, which I thought was pretty cool. They've got all kinds. So depending on, you know, what your business is and what some of the people... I had a water restoration company I worked with. I used that one. I think they've got some rain ones here. Yeah, this is another one great here. If you know anybody in cryptocurrency, how about this one? It's raining Bitcoin. So many different categories these guys have here. It's absolutely really, really cool. All your social media platforms are on here. So depending on the format that you like and how you want to engage with your audience. Here's a car one for Facebook. Here's a wireframe one for YouTube. So all of these are basically plug and play, which I really, really like. Let me see if I can, I've created a couple here. If I can play these for you. Okay, so this one here. This is a cool one that I created with Video Ease. Pretty cool. This is another cool one. As you can see, the quality of the videos are just absolutely amazing. And all of these, you can add any of the text. So this is my current outro that I use for YouTube. Again, all the text is customizable. Say whatever you want, how you want to brand yourself, which is pretty cool. And what I will do is I will leave links to these in the description. Probably the one that, again, I like the most and the one that I've had the most success with is the Video Ease site, because it is so diverse and it gives you the ability to do the very small little intros, outros, transitions, as well as you could build an entire video for a restaurant, for your business, if you have a pet grooming business, or if you're in network marketing and you're about lead generation, you could certainly put some really cool things. They have great transitions. I'll just show you this, then we'll stop this. Many times, and you'll see this in this video, I'll add some transitions, and it's basically a pause or a talking point. This is a great one here. I like that one. And all of these come with sound or not sound. and you could just add your logos in there. So just depend on the look and the feel you want to create for your videos. These are designed to be just an interrupt pattern. Hopefully this has been of value to you and help to you. If you have any questions about any of these, websites or products that I've talked about, please leave me a comment below. I respond to each and every one of those. And if you got value out of this, please give me a thumbs up and share this on social media. Maybe you have some friends who would like to do some intros and outros. And if you have, again, any questions, please feel free to call me or reach out to me. And I will put links in the descriptions below. If you have questions, again, reach out. That's what I'm here for, my friend. So hopefully this has been helpful. Make it a better than terrific day and a prosperous one, because you, my friend, absolutely deserve it. Until next time, bye-bye for now.